Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing hair by CutiePieTresses. They sent me over this hair to review for you guys. So if you want to see how I did this style using CutiePieTresses 20-inch clip-ins, stay tuned. When you receive the hair, it'll be in a nice little cute satin bag, and it comes with 10 clip-ins. Are sewn on really tight, and I really like that. They also sent over some lashes, and they were bomb, so I put them on right away, didn't waste no time. They also sent care instructions for your hair, it's very important, and extra clips. Now I'm going to begin styling my hair. The first thing I did when I received the clip-ins was wash and deep condition them, just like I would do my normal hair, because this is 100% virgin human hair, so you do want to treat it just like your hair. Now this style that I'm doing is the most easiest but cutest style I've probably done this far, so I'm not going to really talk very much, but it is very self-explanatory, so yeah.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
If you have never used clip-ins before, they are very easy. They like snap back and forth. You want to snap it open and apply it to your hair on a braid. And if you didn't put this in braids, you can also put it in a low ponytail and just snap it into the hair really tight, and then you want to give it a little slight pull to make sure it's staying, and that's what it is. Clip-ins are very easy. I personally don't sleep with clip-ins in my head. I don't know if there's anything against it, but I just find it just as easy as a wig to just take on and off.
Purchase your tracks today. Your tracks today. Your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Your tracks today.
Now dry, this hair is really fluffy and nice, so if you are the kind of girl that likes big hair, this is for you. Dry with no product added. This is the raw hair and I love it. Now, if you're the kind of girl who likes a wet curl look, and I love this look as well, you want to add a little water and your favorite wash and go gel, and I love the curls one at the moment, so that's what I'm using. And you want to also apply some mousse. I really love Lotta Body mousse, so that's what I use all the time. And just add that to your hair, and the wet look will really stay all day.
Purchase your tracks today.
And this is the final look. As always, thank you guys for watching my video, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you. Baby girl, give me something. Oh,